All right, so let's use experimental probability to predict outcomes. So from above, let's talk about the 21 out of 25. Here's some questions you could answer, okay? So what's the probability of my next make? So if I've made 21 out of 25, what's the probability of my next make? Well, I kind of have it right here. I'm shooting 84%. So what's the probability I make my next one? 84%. Okay? You take what I've done and you use it to predict my future. Here's what I've done. I'm an 84% shooter. So what's the probability I make my next one? 84%, okay? It's not based off fairness. It's not based off 50-50, because some people think, oh, either you can make it or miss it, so it's 50%. No. It's based off the things I've done, also known as my relative frequency, okay? What have I done? My frequency. What's the frequency of makes out of the frequency of tries? That many. So that would be the number you would use there. Sorry about the bell. Now, here's a fun one here, okay? How many should I make out of the next 10? Again, that's not 50-50. It's skill-based. It's human-based. So what you need to do is you need to take the 10 that I'm going to shoot or I'm going to try, and you actually take that times my frequency, okay? So you actually take that times 84%. How do you do that? Well, it's actually really easy. You would actually just change 84% to a decimal, okay? We don't really use percents in our calculator, so I'm going to try it 10 more times, and I'm shooting at 84%. Again, change that to a decimal. So I should make about 8, okay? 8's the closest, okay? So again, change to a decimal. So I would go 10 times 0.84 equals 8.4, okay? So I can't really make 0.4 of a shot, so I'd round that to the nearest shot. So I would say, should make about 8. Okay, about 8, around 8, okay? Maybe one less, maybe one over, but again, it's human, okay? The events in real life don't always add up to the frequency, because we all know if things always lined up the way they were supposed to, life would be pretty boring, okay? So, next one, the football passes, here we go. I completed 12 out of 16. What's the probability of the next drop? Ooh, a compliment, right? So 75% of my passes are being completed, 25% of them are being dropped. There you go. There's a 25% chance my next pass will get dropped. Okay, how many catches out of the next 50 passes? Okay, so how many catches? So that's going to be successes. So I'm going to go 50 times 0.75. See what I get here. I better hurry. I'm running out of space on my phone here. 50 times 0.75 should be about 37 or 38. So I'm going to say, so actually I'd round it to 38. So I'm going to go ahead and say about 38. My receivers should catch about 38 of my passes. Okay, makes sense? Goodbye.